at YYGS and how you liked it?
YYGS was pretty cool. Met a lot of cool people. The food's great. It's been really nice to walk around the campus and just experience college life, and just hang out with random people from all over the globe. Yeah.
So what programs did you attend?
I'm in SGC, so it's Solving Global Challenges. It's like a cross-disciplinary little program. So we get a little bit of everything, like politics, science, etc.
What did you learn most at this program?
Learn the most?
And what is the most important thing to you?
I think just
that you will bring with yourself home.
Okay, I think the most important thing about this program is just like the diversity, is just being able to see how everyone thinks differently, how everyone works differently, and just being able to just, like, get everyone together and work together. And something I'm gonna take home is just, I guess, more open mind to different things and more clear sense of what my values are. Yeah.
Oh, thanks. It was nice.